Good morning, everybody. I have finally got no rain going on, so this morning I plan on working on the rear of the loop field Focus, try and get these body panels fitted, and if I can get far enough, weld some in because I really need to get it done. So if this interests you, please stick around. I'm going to be working on putting the back in. Um, the last video, I adjusted these frame rails to get them somewhat equal and the correct height. So we'll start from there and see how it all works out. After I bent the frame rails up, look at how close it's fitting now. Last time it was way out, so I think we're getting there. I'm feeling like I'm going in the right direction, so keep on keeping on. So, there's my gap here that I got. It's pretty good right there.
Could have thrown something if I told the truth. I did what I knew would lead to more as it all came out.
Over on this side, it's pretty tight.
Everything, it ends up on the ground, pointed everywhere. None of this was fair, as it all turns out.
Work that back. So, get there.
Take what it is, take what it was, take it when it comes Now that it's out, what was resolved? I can hear the noise, driving by outside, reaching out to more. Take what it is, take what it was, take it when it comes
My natural lighting went away. It's supposed to rain here anytime, so I'm trying to get as much done as I can. So here's the fitment on the driver's side, and here's the fitment on the passenger side. And I think I can get that closed up a little bit more with a little acute pounding, but I think it's coming together. I wish I could find the measurements for this. Would make me feel a little bit better, but since it's a work car and I don't really care, and I'm not going to sell it to anybody else. I might trade it in, but I'm not going to sell it to some poor schmuck. So I'll just keep on trucking, and we'll see what we can get done before it rains. So hang on. I'm getting it to where I want it to be. It's fixing to rain, so I shut her down a little bit, but I'm gonna go get some sheet metal screws so that I can screw it together, make sure everything fits, and then I can weld it, and then I can take it for a ride. So we're getting there. I just want to make sure I put it together correctly before we make anything permanent. Well, today I'm trying to work on the back of the car, but it keeps raining off and on, and I got to replace the radiator support. So I'm going to make a video replacing the radiator support in between raindrops. So stick around if you want to see that, and thanks for watching. I think I'm definitely going to have to get a new front valance, but oh well. Alright, so now I got to do the other side. And by the way, that is a 10 millimeter that is on the car. So, I mean on the socket. Try not to lose my other ones. Alrighty. Try not to hit myself in the head or any other crazy stuff. There's one. There's two. Thank God I had the jack stand in there. It did actually drop a little bit. And I don't have the old stuff sealant, but so there we go. One burn up or bent up radiator support. Now the new one's going in, and it looks like it goes this direction. So, oops. I'm gonna start it by hand, and then we'll tighten her up. Trying to get one of these started, even though it's not lining up very good. I guess I'll go over here and see what's up. I should have expected something was bent, but you know, c'est la vie. Dirty. Oops, lost my rubber over there. The bushing fell out over on that side.
Well, I came up to the top to see what was in the way, and it appears that there's a sleeve that side has to go into. I don't know if you can see it. I can hardly see it down in there, so I got to manipulate it from the bottom a little bit more to get that side in. I have one bolt in on this side, on the passenger side. Now I need to put one in on the driver's side. Well, now that I'm down here, I got a bolt in each side, and I can see that the condenser for the air conditioner took a good shot, but it's not leaking because I still got cold air, so that's a good thing. So now I just got to finish putting these two more bolts in, tighten it up, and I'm done. So as you can see, it was pretty simple to install this, as long as you had something to support the radiator and the core support once you put it in. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And if you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. And once again, thank you for watching. I greatly appreciate it.